So we're in Clovis, California, just finished installing some new piping up here in the attic. You can see, sorry about I have a headlamp on, so you might get some dark spots in this. But anyways, back there you can see the red pipe, that's existing type B. And then we got a shark pipe fitting here, right, going to the type A. It's a Apollo pipe, so that's the expansion type. And then right there, a 90 going down, because you can see the cold water is up and coming back down. And this B pipe is very brittle, and so what we did is we put a 90 right there and going through, so a couple of rings, 90. So that hot line, when it was going, the red one, when it was bent going down in there, and it was actually fractured in between the framing. So down on the top, that backing plate right there, somewhere between that and the double top plate of this wall, it was spraying water, and then it flooded back over here. Sorry about the light. Flooded back over here, and then the next bay in, and which is all fine because it's repaired now. And then down here another shark bite fitting, just tie it back in. So the water's on, water heater's turned back on. Immediate situation is resolved. We did discover that this entire bedroom only has one row of insulation up here. So this, between these first two trusses, so this truss and then you got insulation, that's it. And then the rest of the room, no insulation. So you're probably, I don't know, 22 feet across and maybe 10 foot or 12 foot deep. So that's a lot of insulation missing. Anyways, that's another deal. We did find this, and I don't know if it's something that you want to address. I'm not too concerned about it. It's just, it looks like when they originally put this pipe in, you can see right here, from here to here, there's a gouge. And so honestly, I think, it'd be two more couplings. And the thing is, you'd have to go to your whole house and make sure that they didn't do something like that. But I think you can see it. And of course, let me see. I think it's better when it's in the shadow. There you go. Right there. So anyways, they just shaved it with something when they were pulling this through the attic. I'm going to put a strap back on right here so it doesn't bounce up and down. And it's already missing that one, but they had it strapped and it was up against that metal. And that's bad, so we don't want that. But it is going to bounce, so I think I'm going to get you a strap, put it back in here and get it down on there. And then this here, we got a lot of work to do. I got a drywall guy come out, and if it's something that, obviously if you want to address it, let us know. We'll bring some more sharp bite couplings and just cut it there and, put a new piece in and then call it good. Anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.